Do you eat off the floor? Or do you eat off of a table? What about your dog? Does your dog eat off the floor? Your four-legged little furry friend? You just let him eat off the floor like some sort of a peasant? Yeah, it's you I'm talking to. How dare you? Just kidding. Well, my wife thinks otherwise. So, today what we're doing is we're going to build a doggy table for my dog's bowls. Yes, so that's totally necessary. But we're gonna do it. Yeah. Okay, so kind of what the plan is just build a frame for these to sit on with a wooden top, and that's basically it. I've already got some measurements. It's unnecessary, yes, but my wife thinks it's not. So on that note, if you like to do things for your wife to get brownie points with her, hit that subscribe button. And if you don't, also please hit that subscribe button, because to buy a dog bowl stand is about $30, and with the metal that I'm wasting on this project, we're closer to like $50, $60. So please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you hit that subscribe button, I'm going to be giving away one of my welders. So that video will be coming out soon, so make sure you follow along. Hit that subscribe button. Once we get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving a welder away. And you want that welder. It's free. Who would not take a free welder? Nice, nice. Look at that. It's like they're supposed to go there. All right, well, time to get this thing cleaned up, I suppose. And get it all sanded, make it all smooth, and I'll see you when it's a finished product. Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The doggy bowl table is done. So my dog no longer has to eat off the floor like a heathen. My dog gets her own table. And I can confirm that this is worth brownie points with the wife. So keep that in mind. Also, it's doggy approved. A project like this that's a little bit ridiculous and doesn't make a whole lot of sense deserves an edit that is a little ridiculous and doesn't make a whole lot of sense for this. So without further ado, let's roll that. Okay, but for real, this was kind of a fun little project, and got to practice some TIG welding, which was fun. So I needed to practice, fun little project. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. Also, like I said earlier in the video, I'm going to be giving away a welder. So hit that like and subscribe button, and you could be the one that wins the welder. I'll have a video coming out here in the next coming days on the details for that. But yeah, if you want in on that, make sure you hit that like and hit that subscribe button. All right, we'll see you guys next time on the next project. Thanks for watching.